This video provides a generic introduction to computer programming. Computer programs are just sequence of instructions, and they process input data, and they provide processed data as output. The input data may come from keyboard, files, databases, or browsers. Similarly, the output may go to console screen, files, databases, or browsers. In order to process input data efficiently, we need to focus on data model design and processing logic. Data model design is generally implemented using primitive data types, composite data types, and databases. The processing logic majorly uses conditional and looping statements. To summarize, you need to know 11 fundamental elements. How to read input from keyboard. How to send output to screen. How to read input from file. How to send output to file. How to read data from databases. How to update data in databases. How to read input from browsers. How to send output to browsers. How to use looping statements. How to use conditional statements. How to model data using primitive and composite data types and databases. These 11 fundamental elements will enable you to write a program. You can become a programmer but not an engineer. To develop efficient solutions, which is a primary task for an engineer, you need to focus on something else. To develop efficient solutions, you need to focus on mathematics, logical thinking, data structures, and data model design, and problem modeling. At the initial stage, it is better to solve large number of smaller problems, preferably in C or C++ language without using IDE in Linux platform. In later stages, develop smaller and bigger applications using integrated development environments in Windows, Linux, and mobile platforms. Write down the answers for these questions in your course notebook. What does taking a problem from one space to another space mean? Why should a CS or IT engineer focus on 11th and 12th grade mathematics including vector calculus, analytical geometry, differential calculus, and matrix theory? Why should an engineer learn the fundamentals of C programming?